Namaskar. Ashish Mittal from Aarsun Woods. Another collection from the dressing store, designed for a dressing table. And this one is in teak wood, white and gold paint, going to Kolkata, West Bengal. And the design and size as given by the client. The size of this unit is 7 feet left to right, from that corner to this corner, 7 feet 84 inches, front to back 1.5 feet 18 inches. The platform height from the ground is 30, 2.5 feet, and the total height is 6.5 feet along with the mirror. Now, this is a catalog design again. By catalog, I mean a design that is generated on a computer by a software, and we have converted this one to an actual unit that you're looking at here. This one comes along with a sitting stool. I've shown you this one earlier, the design, and I'll show you one more time. The white and gold paint is as per a selection of client, because the colors and sizes that we make in these kind of units, even the fabric, is as per choice. Choice means what you like, we'll try and do that. We don't push anything from our side. If you don't like white, you are looking for something in wood polish or a darker finish, or looking for something in gold paint, silver paint, or champagne, other champagne gold setup, we can do that for you. In the past 600 videos, I've shown you a lot of options for almost every item. Sofas, beds, dining tables, wood temples, and most of the furniture of the house, including doors. We are also making main doors and the inside temple doors, or the door for a drawing room, and other items like the partition that is sitting at the back. And then we have wardrobes, we have swings. There's so much stuff we are making, and we are making it in carving, hand carving, the designs that you're looking at here. The basic concept of these designs can be matched to Italy, because Italian furniture is mostly like the design you're looking at. Now, this one has got a big cabinet, a sideboard. This has got 1, 2, 3, 4 panels, 2 panels in the middle, and 1 panel to the other side, and that is the storage area. Now, this is the sitting stool we have for this one, a uniquely designed model, and again, nicely carved and nicely made along with the set. There are hundreds and hundreds of designs for anything in carving. If you're looking for something like this, if you have your taste similar to this Maharaja furniture, as we call it, or Victorian furniture, as people call outside India, Italian or Egyptian or Turkish, they are known by a lot of names. If you have any sort of taste in these kind of furnitures, you can have a visit to our website, aarsunwoods.com, and you'll find hundreds and hundreds of actual real images for these kind of units. We are not showing you just the catalog images, the software generated images. We are showing you the actual units with the explained detailed videos. On YouTube, you'll find 600 plus videos now for these kind of units. Now, this design as such you're looking at is a dressing. It'll have glass on the top, a mirror, in fact. Mirrors, granites, marbles, onyx, these are very fragile items. We don't provide that, so that can be done on site very easily. So we provide the unit like this without the mirror in itself. If you have a smaller requirement, you need a smaller size, you want a different height, you want a bigger one, let us know, we can make that for you. You want a different shading, different kind of flowers, we again customize the furniture for you. Designs, colors, fabrics, just like in this one we have white fabric. If you want some other color, that can be done, no issues. We'll provide you the options, you select one, we use that. This one is going to Kolkata, as I mentioned. We provide delivery in all parts of India. You are anywhere, let us know and we'll deliver to your home. Outside India, we're delivering to most of the places. So you can contact us, we'll get the shipping cost, let you know how much the charges are, and we can deliver to your place. For pricing, other queries, you can contact us or you can visit our website. There are pricing for a lot of items for the idea. Rest we can get you as per your requirement. Work of Aarsun, handcrafted, made by hand, drawn by hand, painted by hand with use of small little machines. Hope you like it. I request you for a few comments of yours. Let us know how we are doing. Thank you. Dhanyavad.